Welcome to the world famous Guaranty RV Supercenters here in Junction City, Oregon. I'm Gary Christian, serving the dealership since 1981 and looking forward to helping you find a 2018 Wildwood 32 Bunkhouse. It's an awesome trailer. As you can see in the background, it's got a nice outdoor kitchen and many more features that we're going to go over today. This travel trailer is absolutely fabulous for a family. Starting in the rear of the unit, you've got a slide out in the back with 3 bunk beds, storage for the kids, a nice little ladder to access the upper bunk. Moving towards the front, you've got a great closet area with drawers, and directly across from that on the door side is your bathroom, shower, toilet, and you have another door to go outside. So if you need to use the restroom, you don't have to walk through the kitchen. Moving forward on the driver's side, you have a big U-shaped dinette that folds down into a bed with storage down below. In front of that is a sofa that does make down into a bed. It's got a big storage drawer down below. And directly across from that, you have the kitchen area with an L-shaped kitchen, solid surface countertop, recessed sink, cabinets up above, microwave, 3-burner cooktop, an oven. On the end of the counter, you've got a swing open door for extra storage, as well as a cabinet door, 3 drawers, refrigerator double door with storage above, and a pantry. Moving forward, you've got a nice big screen TV, DVD player, USB ports, plenty of storage, and the bedroom, the master bedroom. Queen size island bed. It's got a laundry chute on the door side that drops down below to make it easy to put your laundry away. And a big opening when you raise the foot of the bed is accessed underneath. You have a shelf up above for storage and wardrobes on either side. And don't forget that big outdoor kitchen outside. Hey, thanks a lot for spending some time with me today. I really enjoy doing videos, and I look forward to being able to help you. And yeah, if you got some questions, you'd call me, right? 541-554-9581, or shoot me an email. Thank you.